Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow charging on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, start by unlocking your device and opening the settings applications. This is where we'll begin troubleshooting. Step 2. Once inside the settings, scroll down and tap on Device Care or Battery and Device Care, depending on your phone model. Next, tap on Battery. This section gives you full control over your phone's charging and power usage features. Step 3. In the Battery menu, scroll down and look for Charging Settings. Tap on it and you should see options like Fast Charging, Super Fast Charging, or Fast Wireless Charging. Make sure these options are enabled. If fast charging is turned off, your phone will charge at a much slower rate. Note, if these options are missing or disabled, your charging issue might be caused by outdated software. Step 4. Go back to the Settings menu and scroll down to Software Update. Tap on it, then select Download and Install. Wait a moment while your device checks for updates. If an update is available, install it. Software updates often include fixes for bugs that can affect charging speed. Step 5. Using the wrong charger can significantly slow down your phone's charging speed. Samsung Galaxy phones that support fast charging should be paired with the official 25 watts or 45 watt charger, depending on your model. If you're using a lower wattage charger, you won't get the full fast charging experience. Step 6. Make sure you're charging your phone in a cool, well-ventilated area. Charging in extremely hot or cold environments can negatively impact battery performance and slow down charging. Avoid charging your phone in extremely hot or cold environments, as extreme temperatures can affect charging speed. Step 7. Over time, batteries degrade. If your phone is more than 2 to 3 years old or the battery is no longer holding charge well, it might be time to replace the battery. A degraded battery will charge slower regardless of settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.